Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl JayeeGood and I am finally back with another video. Today I will be giving you guys the truth about these Amazon hair companies. Are they legit or no? So today I'm wearing a 4x4 lace Brazilian curly bob wig by a company called Atoz. I will be giving my honest review, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. So, as I stated before, I'm wearing a 4x4 lace deep curly bob. It is 12 inches. It also came pre-plucked along with baby hair. You guys, this wig was only, drumroll, $66.39, and the quality is absolutely flawless. You cannot beat that. This hair is extremely soft and it looks so natural. So the gag is, I had family come over, right? And they saw my hair and of course they complimented me. Oh, Janora, your hair looks beautiful. But they thought this was my real hair. So what does that tell you? You guys, this hair is thebomb.com. This is how it looks dry. What I did was I washed it and I deep conditioned it, and of course I let it air dry. So it's not wet at all. However, you can wet it and you can wear it dry. It does not matter. This wig will look flawless, whatever you decide to do. This wig comes with 4 combs. It is secured around the circumference of your head. We are securing the wig all 2019, sis. So when I did receive this wig, it did come pre-plucked, as I stated before, along with baby hair. However, I did customize it to my own liking. I went ahead and I bleached the knots. I had plucked some more, and also I had created more baby hairs. However, you do not have to do any of that. You can just go ahead and as soon as you get it, you can go ahead and just put it on and wear it any kind of way. It is not necessary, but of course I wanted to manipulate it a little bit to have a little natural look that will match me. But as I stated before, you can do whatever you want to. This wig is flawless regardless, sis. It did have a slight odor to it, but what hair doesn't? It wasn't overbearing. It wasn't a harsh, strong smell. It smelled like hair, to be honest. So I have 0 complaints with that. Also, you guys, this hair has 0 shedding. Now, what I did, I plucked the hair some more to my liking, and of course, plucking causes shedding. This is all that I got from it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is all I got. That's it. So, obviously when you pluck hair, hair comes out. That's what I got. As I continue to brush it, nothing came out, you guys. This hair does not shed. I've had this wig for quite some time, and anytime, and I washed it a couple of times, no shedding at all. So you guys cannot beat that. So you guys, $66.39. That came pre-plucked along with baby hair, and it's absolutely flawless. You can't beat that, right? Why spend $300 or $400 at different hair companies when you can just go to Atoz and get a nice, beautiful wig for the low? I'm not trying to come for the different hair companies that do cost a little bit more. Mind you, their hair is flawless as well, but you might want to budget your money a little bit and get the same quality for a lower price. This is a good, reputable company. They communicated effectively with me, and also the hair did come expeditiously. You guys, I think I ordered it maybe on a Thursday or Friday. I'm not quite sure, but I do know it took no time to get to me. So that is a plus in my book. I will leave all the details down below in the description box so you can go ahead and get you a wig, sis. And mind you, this isn't the only style. They have different styles. They have different lengths. They have a big variety. So you can choose what will fit you. So you guys do know I'll be ordering from them again, right? Next time I'll be dyeing my hair, so I want you guys to definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, what are you waiting for? Go head over to Atoz on Amazon and order you a wig, sis. I hope you guys did enjoy this review as much as I did making it for you. And remember, this is my honest review on this hair. If you have not already subscribed, I'm going to need you to hit that subscribe button. Also click that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I do upload. Also give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, bye guys.